The brush holder consists of the brush holders, the brush tension springs, the wire leads, and the plastic ring that secures it all together. Most problems with the brush holder are the result of an overloaded tool. If overloaded, the tension springs and holders can be burnt. This can also cause the plastic mounting ring to melt or warp. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the housing. Now remove one half of the housing. There's a label between the two sides of the housing. I'll cut that label with a knife. And now I can separate the two halves. With the housing removed, now I can pull the complete motor and gearbox assembly away from the drill. I'll pull the armature away from the brushes. Now I'll pull the switch away from the housing so I can disconnect the wires from the brush card to the switch. I'll note the location of each of the wires. Now I can begin installing the new brush holder. First, I need to transfer the brushes from the old holder to the new. I'll pull back the brush springs and pull them to the side of the holder. Then I'll remove the brush lead from the holder. And remove the brush from the holder and transfer it over to the new brush holder. I'll pull the brush spring back on the new holder. Insert the brush, clip it into place, and place the spring back over the top of the brush. And I'll do the same thing for the other brush. Now connect the brush holder back to the switch, the black wire to the tab marked M2, and the red to M1. You'll notice there's a slot on one end of the yoke. That slot aligns with a tab that's milled in the bottom of the housing. I'll align the two, pull back the brushes in the brush holder, and slide the armature through the brush holder. Now I'll align each of the components and slide them back into the housing. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing. As I do, I'll make sure to align the direction selector with the forward-reverse switch on the switch. I'll reinstall the heatsink and make sure that all of the wires are tucked out of the way. Now I'll reinstall the housing and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear cover. And that's all it takes to install a new brush holder in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.